Hey guys, how's it going? Today I got a different video for you guys. Today I've got the MonoPrice 50-foot 2 RCA to 3.5mm audio cable. As you can see, this is a pretty well built cable. It's actually two different cables in one. You have your left channel and your right channel, or your white channel and your red channel. This is 22 gauge. As I said, this is 50 feet. This is the longest MonoPrice has available. I think I may have actually overdone it with this one, but nonetheless, the audio quality in it is phenomenal, especially for 50 feet. That's what's amazing. As you can see, you have this that will hold these two together, which I will say, these two are very tight fitting, which is great because they won't come apart. This, on the other hand, can get a little loose. Not on all jacks, but on some it is slightly loose. You will see that on the reviews on their website. But for me, it has never compromised audio quality, which is the important thing. But as you can see, as you can see, this has a crimp in it, but it does not affect the sound quality of the cable, I don't think. Well guys, I don't know what else to say about this cable, but I would recommend it to anybody looking for a 2 RCA to 3.5. Like I said, they have anywhere from 1 foot, I believe it's 1 foot, to 50 feet. So needless to say, you got a pretty good selection. Alright guys, see you later.